How do you picture art?
I actually think of paintings.
Where do you see it being created?
In the studio. I think in like a gallery.
Well, this piece was made in a factory. This piece will surprise you in a variety of ways. Today, we will be exploring Untitled by Judd, stainless steel and plexiglass in 6 parts. Judd was a painter, sculptor, and a writer. He wrote in an art magazine as an art critic from 1959 to 1965. But Judd was best known for his minimalism. Judd started as an expressionist in the late 1950s. Expressionism communicates emotions rather than realistic features. His first solo exhibition was in 1957. He called his first pieces half-baked because he didn't think they were fully developed. But then early in the 1960s, he gave up painting and became a sculptor. Judd began as a minimalist in the early 1960s. Minimalism is the use of basic shapes, simple form, and objective approach. Minimalists focus on form, space, and physical presence. Judd believed art should not represent anything and stand on its own. Some other minimalists are Frank Stella, John Chamberlain, Ed Reinhardt, Robert Ryman, and Dan Flavin. For around 30 years, Judd used materials like boxes, concrete, metal, plywood, and plexiglass, and arranged them in stacks and progressions. And this piece right here is the progression. And in this piece, Judd used metal and he stacked a bunch of rectangular prisms on top of each other. Most of the boxes Judd made were either closed, semi-hollow, or transparent. For this piece, Judd mounted 6 steel boxes in a row on the wall. The sides of each box are plexiglass. As you can see, the boxes are 3-dimensional because they're coming out of it. Each of the boxes are 34 by 34 by 34. If you stand right here, between any of the boxes, if you stand right here, you can see that there's another box inside the box. Does anybody know what this is called? Seth?
I think it would be called an optical illusion.
Yes, it is an illusion. Illusion is the one value I see in this piece. Another element I see is space. Judd explored space. The negative space in this piece is inside in between the boxes. And the positive space is where the plexiglass and the metal meet. These are the media and qualities that Judd used in this work, and that influenced my interpretive piece. For my interpretive piece, I focus on the medium and the space. The main elements I see in Judd's piece. I use foam, which is for the box, and I use duct tape, which I put around the box, and I use paper, which I put on, which I glued on the foam, and then I glued the boxes onto the poster. Unlike Judd's piece, my boxes are rectangular prisms with dimensions of 1/15/16 by 3/7/8 by 3/7/8 inches. I think what I created looks like a pyramid. What do you think it looks like?
I think it looks like buildings, like in a city.
This piece stretches my thinking of art because when I first saw it, it wasn't really what I pictured art. But when I selected for my art docent presentation, I got to look at it from various perspectives and realize that art can be diverse. For instance,
Wait till we catch up to you, honey.
shallow piece right over there is like simple. It's just a shallow, the dirt. Except the guy who made that enlarged like regular things and made them and just stuck them at random things. Okay, now come over here. Some people think art should be more complex, but I like all the different kinds of art. Do you think this is art?
In the beginning, I didn't think this was art, but now that you've explained it, I think it's art.
Now, maybe as you look around this gallery, you will look at the art in many different ways.